Hi there and welcome to TechPlower. Here I have the Apple Watch Series 6 40mm in aluminium silver, and it's also cellular. This time around the box is a little bit narrower. If we compare it to my Series 5 box, you can see that it's much narrower than the Series 5 box. And of course the Series 5 box is black since it's the Nike edition. But the reason why the Series 6 box is narrower is because we don't get the power adapter with it. We get the power cable, but no adapter. You'll see. So let's remove the Series 5 box and look at the main attraction, the Apple Watch Series 6 box. Let's first take a look at the box. On the top here, if you can see it, we have the Apple Watch logo. Yes, you can see it here. On the sides we have nothing, just blank sides. And on the bottom we have some information about the watch. And here we can see that it's the 40mm Series 6 silver aluminium case with a white sport band. And here we see the red dot for the cellular. I always bring my unboxing knife for the unboxings, but nowadays I don't need it, because Apple includes a pull tab on their boxes now. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. So we turn it around and we take the plastic off. Turn it around again. The plastic goes off. The naked box. And we have to turn the box around again, because now we have these flaps on the underside that we pull on to open it. Let's see if I can manage that. Like this. And then we open it up and we see these beautiful designs of different variations of the Apple Watch. So if we lift that up, we have two boxes inside. Put this to the side. And here we have the Apple Watch band in white. It's the sports band. So let's look at that first. There's a small pull tab here to open that. Let's see. And here we have the Apple Watch logo and some instructions in a few languages. And if we open this up, we have some more instructions with beautiful pictures. And down here we have the bands, or the band, the sport band in white. So if we put that to the side and take a look at the main attraction, the watch itself. So if we turn it around, we see that we don't have any pull tabs on this one. So let's open it up. Are you ready for it? Ta-da! There we have the Apple Watch with the instructions designed by Apple in California. But wait a minute, we can't forget to smell the box. Yeah, this is the typical Apple smell. So here we have the instructions inside this small pamphlet. And here we have the charging cable. We don't have the charging brick, as I mentioned. And it's the same as last year with USB-A. You know how that looks. So we put that to the side. And let's look at the Apple Watch itself. We have the silver one in aluminum. And it's in a small paper sleeve. So if we drag it out, Here we are. And we also have some protection on the screen. So let's take the plastic off. No plastic on the bottom. So this is it. The Apple Watch Series 6. We see on the side here that we have a red circle, which indicates that this is a cellular watch. And if we put the box to the side, and we can compare it to my Series 5. We have the Series 5 in 44mm, but this is the Apple Watch Series 6 in 40mm. On the bottom we can see some difference because we have some new sensors. We only see one dot here, or one sensor, because on the bottom here we have sensors for the pulse oximeter. So we have some improved sensor at the bottom on the Series 6. So there are small differences. We also have an always-on display on the Apple Watch Series 6 as on the Apple Watch Series 5. So let's turn it on. It takes a while to turn on. And there it is, ready to be activated and connected to an iPhone. They're really similar. We had the same microphones and speakers on the sides. Here we have the microphone, the power button and the digital crown. So the main difference here is of course the size, the 40mm, and then the internals. We have a new processor that is a little bit faster, and as I mentioned before, we have the pulse oximeter that measures the oxygen levels in your blood. So let's take a look at the band and see how it fits. We have some plastic on it. Let's remove that. So we slide this one here and this one here. This band is maybe a little bit small for me, but let's see. Yeah, this is how it looks. And if you put the Apple Watch Series 5 on the side for comparison, this is how it looks. So this is it, the unboxing and my first impressions of the Apple Watch Series 6 40mm aluminium, silver and cellular. I really hope you liked this video. I always like these unboxings. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.